Hi everyone, Jan here, welcome back to my channel. This painting is the second painting I did in Sara Taylor's class at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas this last July. It's another pearl painting, and as with the first one that I did, this one I used the same base coat, and as you have seen in the first painting, I had some issues with the satin enamel being a little too aggressive. That definitely happened in this painting as well. It's a big shame because I really liked the result until the satin enamel had decided to take over practically 100%. So yeah, this canvas is a 35 by 28 centimeters. A little odd, but it's an American standard canvas. I don't remember what it is in inches. But yeah, it's 28 by 35 centimeters, and as you see, I'm just covering the canvas with the base coat, and then I'm gonna add some colors and play around with it. And yeah, got some really interesting colors. I think I must admit that I don't remember the precise name of the colors that I used. I know that I used a turquoise. I know that I think it's Pebeo's blue-green or green-blue iridescent, and then a Payne's gray. I was inspired by a painting that I did, I think it's almost 2 years ago now. You will see, I'm gonna put it in the picture-in-picture a little further ahead, where you can see how it actually looked like that when I had first tilted this. It looked like my painting that I did a few years ago, but unfortunately, because of the satin enamel, it didn't really stay like that. So yeah, sad, but that's just how it is. What else can I say? As you see, I just put out the puddle here in the shape of, I guess, an S or whatever you want to call it. And then you just tilt it and let the magic begin, because the base coat is supposed to pearl up and make pearls on the edges. But as you will see, you can see that the pearls are beginning to show now. But unfortunately, yeah, it really took over, and the whole painting became one big pearl, really. But it has some interest still, I would have to say, when it was dried. This, as you can see, I have sped up the rest of the video just to show you how it develops. I think it's at a 4 speed. I will put that on the video before I post it. I think it's 4 times speed. But you can see that the pearls really start to develop, and this is what I was aiming for. It was fine if a little more cells or pearls would appear, but it then took over totally. Now you'll see in a second, there it is. This is the painting that I did a few years ago, or 1.5 years ago, I think, and I really love it. I actually have a series with 4 different colors, looking more or less like this one that I just showed you. And yeah, that's what I was aiming for, but unfortunately, that's not what I got. Last but not least, I just want to ask you to, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Any questions you have, please ask. And remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you. I wish you a really wonderful day. I hope that this is recorded on a Saturday, so you have a wonderful weekend. I will be releasing this very shortly, so hopefully you'll see it today. Bye!